In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track document status in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see which files are moving, which are finished, and which ones need your attention so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. This is the quickest way to land on the official site. When the results load, look for the official Dropbox Sign homepage in the top results. It should clearly reference Dropbox Sign and the e-signature product. Click that link to continue. If you see ads or lookalike pages, take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate site before moving on. Next, log in. Use your usual account credentials and complete any verification prompts that appear. If you use a work account, make sure you're signing in with the correct profile so you see the right documents. Once you're in, you'll land on the product interface. Head to the Documents tab. This is the hub for tracking everything you've sent or received. You'll see a list of your files along with useful details like titles, recipients, and timestamps. Think of this tab as your command center for status tracking, where you can quickly scan what's pending, what's done, and what's stalled. Now use the filters above the document list to view files by their current state. Select Out for Signature to see documents that have been sent and are waiting on someone to sign. This is perfect for checking what's still in progress and following up if needed. Choose Signed to find documents that are fully executed and ready for filing or sharing. Pick Declined to view items a signer has explicitly rejected, which is helpful if you need to address concerns or resend with changes. And select Canceled to see requests you or your team have withdrawn, useful for keeping your records tidy and understanding what was intentionally stopped. You can switch between these filters anytime, and the list below updates instantly, so you're always looking at the most relevant set of files. If the list looks empty, double-check that you don't have an unexpected filter applied. A quick note before we wrap up. The homepage dashboard gives you a high-level snapshot of recent activity and items that require your action. It's a great place to start your day, then jump into the Documents tab when you need a deeper, status-specific view. That's it. Open your browser, go to Dropbox Sign, log in, head to the Documents tab, and use the status filters to get a clear picture of where every document stands. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.